Hello everyone, welcome to Hula Juan. Ang reading na ito ay para sa sign of Libra para sa July 2024. So unahin natin ang general forecast, susundan ng career or money, relationships, and then love life. Or relationships and then yung mga advice, okay? So, welcome po kayong lahat dito sa Hula Juan. Ang goal ng channel nito ay magbigay ng gabay using light from above with loving intentions para may positive energies ang lahat. So, unahin natin ang general forecast. You have the Five of Swords. This is telling me na somehow, baby, you are feeling like may nang iniwan ka, or or ikaw yung nang iwan. There is a feeling of you na parang somehow ikaw lang yung mag-isang nakikipag gumagawa ng mga bagay, ganyan. Or pwedeng feeling mo na somehow natalo ka. So, somehow, parang may pakiramdam dito na parang you want to do more. Okay? Next, you have the Two of Swords in the past. The Two of Swords is telling me na parang may mga bagay in the past kasi na hindi ka sigurado eh. Or somehow parang hindi mo sure kung paano yung gagawin mo. So, let's see. You have the Two of Wands. You have the Two of Wands as your potential energy. So, you are planning. You are being more nag-decide ka in trying to do nag-decide ka about things, okay? So, let's see. Para kasi kang ikaw naging parang you want to be mas maayos. So, you have the Chariot in reverse. So, ang sinasabi sa inyo guys, ang advice sa inyo is to be ang pinapakita sa akin dito is wag yung sobrang sugod ng sugod. Yung may naisip ka na sugod, ganyan. Yung meron ka ng something, sasabihin mo na. Hindi daw pwedeng ganun. Hindi daw pwede yung meron ka ng konting pera, gagastusin na. Kung meron ka ng, alam mo yun, don't be too aggressive. You really need to calm down. Yun yung sinasabi rito. If you can do all of that, guys, actually there are things na darating naman sa inyo ng maayos. Kumbaga hindi mo kailangan mag-push. There is something na darating sa inyo, and this will be a start of a new endeavor. Pwedeng may gusto kang simulan na proyekto, ganyan. So that's what you need to look at, okay? So, career and money. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang reading na ito, please subscribe, hit the like button if you are on YouTube. Like and follow pag kayo naman ay nasa Facebook. Huwag niyo po kalimutan i-share ito sa mga kakilala ninyo na kailangan ng reading. Maliit na bagay lang po ito to support this channel para blessings lang ang umikot sa community natin. Okay, so career money. Okay, you have the Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles, for me, this is telling me na you are working hard pagdating sa career and money mo. This is something na parang kahit malaki yung pinagawa mo, kahit ang dami mong gagawin, you are willing to work for it. So nakikita ko sa inyo yung energy na parang kaya ko to. Ganyan. In the past, you have the King of Wands, so you know the feeling of what it's like to be not in control. You have this, you have this drive. And yung drive na yun, is ang gusto mong mangyari is to be somehow in a safer or parang mas maayos na na situation. You have the Justice here, so this is telling me that yung para sa'yo ay para sa'yo. Kung ano yung mga nagawa mo noon, ay makukuha mo yung magiging effect noon. Kung meron kang, kumbaga ito yung sinasabi nila na kung meron kang tinanim, meron kang makukuha. So, kung ano yung nagawa mo in the past, alam mo, marirewardan ka din. You have the Five of Swords in reverse. This is your advice card. So, being your the Five of Swords as your advice card is telling you to be uh, wag masyadong, 'di ba lahat ng advice mo wag masyado. Wag kayong masyadong fight ng fight. Kung hindi mo na kaya, wag na. Kung walang tutulong sa iyo, wag mong pilitin. Kung hindi kung masyadong OA yung kailangan mong gawin, or parang alam mo yun, parang alam mong hindi ka masyadong sigurado, wag na lang. Wag mo siyang ipilit. So, kung mamaya baka naman feeling mo napakalaki nung pinapagawa sa iyo, learn to say na parang baka naman hindi ko to kaya, or wag na lang kasi or parang sabihin mo lang, just be honest na parang kung hindi siya realistic, wag mong pahirapan ang sarili mo. You have the Queen of Cups as your potential energy, and this is telling you na alam mo, when it comes to your karera, pwede kang maging happy, yung parang maayos lang, napaka kalmado lang yung dating neto. Okay, so let's let's do your relationships. Relationships doesn't have to be yung mag-asawa or jowa. It can be your family, your friends. Okay. Okay, your first card is the Seven of Wands. So the Seven of Wands is telling you. The Seven of Wands is saying na, you know, may mga challenges pagdating sa sa relationships mo, or pwedeng somehow hindi ka masyadong gumagalaw, and you are trying to be, you're not being offensive, but at the same time hindi ka rin kasi nagsasalita pagdating sa relationships mo, na somehow baka naman well, there's no right or wrong kung hindi ka naman nagsasalita masyado when it comes to your mga nangyayari sa relationships mo, but it's just that you are protecting yourself. Okay, in the past, alam mo, may mga bagay na parang siguro hindi nasunod, and somehow maybe yun yung naging simula ng issues. You have the Temperance in your energy, and this is telling me na ikaw mismo parang binabalanse mo din yung mga bagay. You are trying to work things kung paano siya magiging improve, no? So yung iba sa inyo parang binabalanse, sinusubukan ng maging pasyente or maging patient. You want to be more patient. You're trying to balance things. Alam mo, yun lang siya. You have the Four of Swords in your advice card, and this is telling me na ikaw mismo hindi ka makapagpahinga, hindi ka how do you say that? Hindi ka maka-chill. You cannot chill because you know, ikaw mismo, there are things that you wanna try and do to make things a little bit nicer. Baka may mga issues that kailangan mong, na gusto mong ayusin, ganyan. So hindi ka maka-chill, hindi ka nasasatisfy na wala kang gagawin. And you have this card in your potential outcome. This is telling me na somehow baka naman mapunta ka sa mga baka may mga bagay kang hindi masyadong na, how do you say that? It's that mayroon kang mga habits siguro, or may mga ginagawa na hindi masyadong maganda, pero ginagawa mo sa mga taong malapit sa mga relationships mo. So there are things na pwede mong kailangan pang tuunan ng pansin. Okay, actually, i-correct ko tong Four of Swords, no? Dapat hindi ka chill. You really need to do something to to improve sa iyong relationships, okay? So, wag masyadong sige ng sige pagdating sa, kumbaga wag yung may naisip ka lang gagawin mo na ganyan. Kung hindi mo bet gawin, or parang somehow parang imposibleng i-achieve ang mga bagay, or parang hindi mo masyadong, kumbaga kung masyadong overwhelming, wag mong gagawin pagdating sa trabaho mo. And also sa relationships mo, you really need to be proactive. Okay? So, try to balance it. And yan ang forecast mo for this month. Subscribe on YouTube and follow Hulu One on Facebook para every month may abangan kang forecast for your sign. Always remember, sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intention. See you sa next reading.